Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Brijesh Gupta with us from New Energies. A very warm welcome to EQ.
Thank you.
Sir, can you just let us know about New Energies? Like it's been how much time New Energies existing in solar industry?
So NewEnergie is a company from 1993 in India. We were manufacturing harmonics filter and had ventured into solar in 2012. And now currently we are manufacturing solar trackers and we provide solar tracking solutions to the industry.
That's great. Sir, if we talk particularly about REI 2025, so what viewers can look upon related to the products and what are the key highlights?
So the tracker in India has been slowly maturing, and this year we could see a very good response to the tracker technology. It's been 5 years we have been on the tracker side, and the response is excellent in this year, where people are realizing, the developers, the EPC, they are realizing that the value that the tracker can bring in their plant, in the generation, in lowering their levelized cost of energy. So it has been a good response so far.
That's great. Sir, if we talk about year 2026, any innovations, any technology that are in pipeline that are planned?
So we have already planned a dual axis tracker, and we have displayed the dual axis tracker here in REI, and I think this technology will mature in 2026.
And any distribution plan, the strategy for that?
Distribution, yes, we have direct sales partners also, we have channel partners. This is not a direct sales product because it's a technology product. So we have to work with the people directly to develop technology, and based on the technology we do the solutions provide to them. And it's not a straight sales, it's more of a technology driven solution providing.
That's great. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information with us.
Thank you very much, and I request everyone to visit our stall. This is made in India. We have a 2 gigawatt manufacturing facility at New Bombay. So we request all the developers and IPP to take this opportunity to visit our demo tracker here. Thank you very much.
We wish all the best and all the success to New Energy, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.